Okay, here you go. Hi everyone, this is Aurea Rivera. Yes, today I'm going to show you how to operate the Nespresso machine. There you go. Now I have here coffee pots. We begin by putting this one here. So you have to, this is the tutorial on how to use the Nespresso machine. So you just have to put it here. Look at that. You have to be very careful like this, and then you have to close it, and then wait. Now you can see that it's green. Depending on how much are you going to, if it's in the middle, it's more coffee. Okay, so we have to try it like this, and again. Okay, wait a minute. Wait till it's okay. So now we're going to press it. I press it. There you go. Again, I'm using the Nespresso coffee machine. Now, if you want some more, because there's just a little bit of coffee, if you want some more, you can press the bottle again to add more water. There you go. And then this is for frothy milk. You just have to add some milk here. This will make your milk so frothy, like this amount. Then you just have to put it back here and then close the lid, and then you just have to press it. That's it. Then wait. Oh, by the way, this is, you have to put some water here, so it's easy to operate. You just have to put water here also. Okay, wait till it stops. You can have now the coffee latte. Oops. By the way, don't forget to like and subscribe my YouTube channel. This YouTube channel, please click subscribe and click the notification bell if you want some more videos. And okay, now it's ready. You just have to remove it, and this is it. Look at that, how frothy it is. And then you just have to add it to your coffee. Look at that. It's like now you're in the Starbucks. So here is, you have the coffee. Okay, so thank you for watching. Again, this is the Nespresso coffee machine. Okay, so it's easy. I just have to put it back, wash it. Remember to wash it every time you use it. Again, so here is the coffee that I used before now. Okay, so you can see that. Then you just have to wash it. And then you just have to put it back. Okay. Thank you for watching. God bless. Bye.